Hey guys, I'm Joe from Vinyl Fox USA. Got an exciting new product for the 4th Gen Tacoma. This is a vinyl inlay kit that goes into the tailgate stamped letter portion of the vehicle. We have tons of designs available, from camo patterns to patriotic stars and stripes, as well as solid colors and vehicle trims, as well as the heritage stripe colors. Tons of options available. The best thing about it is it's designed for DIY installation. Super easy to install. Anyone can do this. Do it in a driveway, garage, parking garage, in a parking lot, doesn't matter. In every kit you receive the application fluid needed to install it, as well as an application tool and a rag to clean and prep the surface and wipe it down when you're all done. Again, super easy to install. If you want to pick up one of these kits, visit vinylfoxusa.com. We're going to walk you through again step by step from start to finish. All right guys, here's the process for how to install it. First step, we're going to prep the surface, spray it with the application fluid, then we're going to wipe it down with the microfiber cloth. And then we're going to apply each letter individually using the application fluid, which is going to let us slip it into place, lock it down, and move on to the next. So let's get started. Lay out all your letters. Get into all the grooves with the towel. Make sure the surface is clean, free of any contaminants. All right, and starting with the T, we're going to spray it again. Peel your letter off. All right, we're going to spray the surface, spray the letter, get this on, slip it around until it's in the right spot. Like that. And we're going to use the towel and just gently blot so we don't shift it anymore. And then I'm going to hold and pull this towards the edge, down, hold here, and then pull out. And that's it. On to the next. All right. Again, spray the surface, peel our letter, a little mist, and we're going to hover around this inside section of the A, get it in place first, make sure the top looks good, lay it down. Same thing with the towel, just blot it a little bit, and then just hold as you pull away towards the edges. Hold there, pull out. That's it. On to the next. Give it a quick spray. Same thing here. Give your letter a quick mist. And we're going to lock up this big section first. Just gently put it into place. It seems off, you can lift it right back. I'm going to do it one more time. There we go, much better. That. Blot. Pull. Good to go. On to the next one. Little mist. Hover over the center. Gently press it down a little bit. Now we're going to blot it. And taco is done. On to the M. Quick mist. Line up the center of that M there. Just got to go over a touch. Gently lay it down, blot, pull it out. All right, and just remember this stuff is air release vinyl, so there shouldn't be any bubbles. The vinyl is designed to let the air out. We use the application fluid to let you slide it into place, but it's designed to also evaporate very quickly, so it tacks up. Get this last letter in. Gently, I'm not putting a lot of force, I'm just kind of guiding the vinyl and making sure it'll lay down fine. And a quick blot, hold and pull towards the edges. And just like that, we're done. So it's very simple install. You can do this in a few minutes in your driveway, a parking lot, garage, doesn't matter. There's no temperature restrictions. The warmer the better, but You can do this in the wintertime as well. We have tons of designs and patterns. We're always releasing new stuff. If you have any ideas for different designs or graphics that you'd love to see on the Tacoma, just let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in picking one of these up, visit vinylfoxusa.com. And until next time, keep it stupid simple.